Uh-huh.
Did you start the video?
Yeah.
Mom.
What?
Start the video?
Yeah, it started.
Yeah!
Look at those wheel rollers down there.
Yeah, and right after you did that, they spray you again.
They spray me. Yeah, those are kind of cool. Here.
And then he sprays you again.
He sprays me again. Alright, let's see.
And then he sprays you even again.
There we go.
Wow, this is all... He's spraying you.
Lights.
Whoa.
Woo.
That's loud.
That's loud.
It's like an octopus flopping around on the car.
An octopus. Oh, here comes the sideways ones.
The what now?
Come on, get off the windshield.
Oh, wow, rainbow!
Oh, yeah.
It's rainbow. And it smells good.
Colors.
That? No, okay, the yellow looks like pee. It's disgusting. Oh, brushes. So little ones.
Ooh, red light. Smells good.
What smells good?
You smell it?
Yes! Oh, it smells so good. That's soap?
Yeah, the soap smells good. Fragrance. There goes the garage door.
That just will car wash.
There's the dryers. Woo.
Mom, I just see the air sucking it out.
Yeah,
See?
it's blowing it out.
Mom, do you see the little thing right there?
Oh yeah. All right, there's the back of it.
Another car coming or what?
See any more cars coming?
Why are the bushes still going?
Well, I don't know. Oh, now they're stopping. Slower and slower. Are they slowing down?
No.
I guess just the dryer is turned off. Yeah, they're slowing down.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, man, it didn't slow